Hello everyone, this is Alistair. In this video I want to show you how to rinse and repeat the process of creating your eStore. In the second video you learned how to purchase your server, and I explained at the time that one of the benefits of having your own server is that you can add as many sites as you need to that particular server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens now as we go back into the back end of the server and how we add an additional site to that server. But before we do login, there is one other process that you would need to do. Of course, as you will understand, if you're creating a new website, you would obviously need a new domain name. So it would be important for you to register yourself a new domain name and then point the domain name at your web server. And if you've forgotten how to do that, then just refer to that video and it will show you again how to go through the whole process and point your domain name at your server. So if you go to your cPanel and you click the login button, you'll log into the back end of your server, and in here what we're looking for is something called add-on domains. Add-on domains are extra domains that you can add to your server, and you can use them like any other website. So if I had registered, for example, bestgifts.co.uk, then I could go into add-on domains, and in the domain name I could type in www.bestgifts.co.uk and then give myself a username. I would recommend that you make it a secure username rather than something which is obvious like the one I've created here. However, I am just creating this as an example. And then down here you can add another password. So we click on the password generator button, click the copied password into a safe place button and use that password. And then all you do is you click on add domain. Now once cPanel has set up your domain, it will give you a notification message telling you that it's now been created. And if we go back, we can see that we have an add-on, an additional domain, bestgifts.co.uk. If we go back to home and we scroll down to WordPress, we'll click on the WordPress script button and click the install key, and in here we can go through the same process that we went through in an earlier video. We can actually choose here in this drop down menu. We will now have the ability to choose bestgifts.co.uk, and you'd fill out all your details as we have done in the previous video, and once you've done that you click the install button and your new website will be available. And that's it. It was a quick 5-minute process and you are now ready to carry on creating more pop-up sites. Now, as I said in the introductory video, because you've already bought your server and you've already acquired your plugin to automate the process of bringing in your products, these are the costs which you won't have to spend again. So all you're paying for will be your domain name and any premium theme that you buy to support you while you build your new site. So your costs will have been significantly reduced. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon.